Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make pockets for a journal in 3 different ways. Let's get on with the video. For the first pocket, you want to place a piece of cardstock paper of any color onto the front cover, back cover, or on a piece of paper in your journal, so you can see where you want to cut the pocket. Then you can cut the pocket out of the paper, like how I did here. You can cut the pocket into any shape, and you want to make sure it fits on the back of the journal or on the piece of paper that's in the journal. So cut off any of the extra paper so the pocket will fit on the journal. I decided to cut the pocket at an angle. You can also round the pocket to fit the edge of the journal. Once you like how your pocket looks, you can put glue on the edge where the pocket won't open at. Then you can place it onto where you want it to be on the journal, and you'll want to wait for the glue to dry. You can put binder clips on the pocket so the pocket doesn't move while the glue is drying. When the glue is drying, or when the glue is dry, you can put washi tape on the edge of the pocket that opens, like how I did. If you want, you can also glue or tape pictures onto the pocket. When the glue is dry, you can put whatever you want into the pocket, like paper or stickers. You want to fold a piece of cardstock paper in half. Then you want to cut out a pocket on one side of the fold on the paper. You can make the pocket in any shape that you want. I decided to cut the pocket at an angle. After you cut your pocket, place the pocket onto your journal to make sure it fits. And if it doesn't fit, you want to cut the extra paper off so it fits into the journal. Now you want to place the pocket onto the journal and mark where each hole will go for each ring with a pencil. Then you can take a hole puncher and punch a hole where each mark is. Now you can open the pocket up and put glue on the bottom edge of the paper, and then you can place the pocket in the glue. You can put binder clips on the pocket so it stays together while the glue is drying. When the glue is dry, you can add some washi tape on the edge of the pocket or wherever you would like. The last thing you have to do is that you want to put the pocket onto the rings of your journal. If you're having trouble with getting the pocket onto the rings, you can cut the holes so you can slide the pocket on the rings. When you're done with your pocket, you can put anything that you want into the pocket, like extra paper or pictures. You can also stick a picture on a paper clip and put it on the edge of the pocket like how I did. For the last pocket, you want to get 1 or more envelopes. When you have an idea of how you want to lay out your envelopes, you can lay out the envelopes on the front cover, back cover, or on a piece of paper in the journal, so you know how it will look when you're done. You can lay the envelopes horizontally or vertically in the journal, and depending on the size of your journal, you can put more than one on the cover or the page. Then you want to open your envelope and put washi tape around the envelope to attach it to the journal. Don't put any washi tape on the flap of the envelope. You can also glue the envelope to the journal instead. When you're done with the envelope pocket, you can put anything that you want into it, like stickers or extra paper. And that's how you make all these pockets. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these pockets, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs and bullet journal videos near the end of each month. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!